To dissolve a corporation in Florida, there are several key steps to follow. First, the corporation's board of directors must approve a resolution to dissolve the company, and in some cases, shareholders must also vote to approve their decision. Once approved, you must file articles of dissolution with the Florida Department of State's Division of Corporations. This document officially declares your intent to dissolve the corporation. Before filing, however, ensure that all outstanding debts and obligations are settled, including pay any taxes owed to the state or federal government. Next, the corporation must notify creditors of its dissolution and provide them with the opportunity to make any claims against the business. You'll also need to distribute any remaining assets to shareholders according to their ownership stakes. Lastly, you should cancel all permits, licenses, business registrations to avoid future liabilities. Once these steps are completed, the corporation is officially dissolved and you've minimized your legal obligations moving forward.